Hello class, good evening. I am Chetna Rangdale. Today, now deal female pelvis. Female pelvis is a protective skeletal organ. Female pelvis is a protective skeletal organ. The pelvis is basin-like structure and which connect the spine to lower limb. स्पाइन एरिया मतलब कि जो स्पाइन है वो एक प्रकार का बेसिन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है जो कनेक्ट होता है स्पाइन एंड लोअर लिम्ब से. इट इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट स्केलेटल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. ये बॉडी का एक स्केलेटल पार्ट है. दैट इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट प्ले द इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. इट transmitted weight of trunk and legs. That next is it take the weight of sitting body. It's allow movement, walking, running. ठीक. Now deal with part of the female pelvis. Some part are there. First is ilium, ischium, pubis, sacrum and coccyx. Ilium, ischium and pubis, they are spine-like. They are found in the spine-like structure, and it surrounded the it form the rounded area. It form that is the rounded area, and they connect the abdomen and legs. That connect the abdominal legs and pelvis cavity and protect the reproductive organ. Okay, now that is the ischium, and the superior part is the ilium and inferior part is the ischium, and front part is the pubis, and that is the symphysis pubis. This connecting part is the symphysis pubis, and that connect the spinal cord is lower portion is connected to the pelvic bone, and upper portion is that is known as the sacrum, and lower portion is known as the coccyx. They part are connected to together and form the rounded area, and they protect the reproductive organ. Like that, the reproductive organ, that means uterus, ovarian, fallopian tube, bladder, uterus, like that. And they connect the thighs, that is the femur bone, that connect the pelvis bone, that is the connected area. Okay. And some part that is the this picture sacral joint they two nominated bone and one bone two nominated bone में ilium थे and ischium, and one bone is pubis. They together to connect and form the joint. That this joint is known as the sacroiliac joint. Sacroiliac joint, what is known as the sacroiliac joint? That is the connect sacrum and ilium. This bone is known as the ilium, and this bone is the sacrum. They are connected together. So joint this is known as the sacroiliac joint. And sacropromontory, this is the sacropromontory, that means a continuum formation of the spines. Okay, and that is the acetabulum. This surface area, the femur bone are connected to the pelvis bone, and coccyx is the lower portion of the spine, and acetabulum this surface area of the ischium bone is the lower portion of the ischium bone. They found the some small hole. They pass out the sciatic nerve, that is known as the large nerve of the body, sciatic nerve. That is the ischial tuberosity. This is the lower portion of ischium bone. This portion are the some tuberosity, मतलब this portion is the thick and खुरदुरा पोर्शन होता है जो ये ischium. ischial pubis rubs. rub से मतलब कि रफ एरिया. this surface are rub. that is the symphysis pubis. pubis bone to connect in front side of the pubic bone, that is known as the symphysis pubis. And that is the pelvic brim. pelvic brim is the surrounding area, and that is the sacrum, and then that is the coccyx, and this all are bone from the hip bone. Next is the iliac fossa. that is a landmark. कितने लैंडमार्क्स होते हैं प्यूबिस बोन में? 9 लैंडमार्क्स होते हैं. विच आर द लैंडमार्क? थैंक यू. क्या बोल रहे हो तुम बीच में?
अबे बड़ा मस्त में पढ़ाते हैं.